Hi there folks, so this isn't a recipe video, so if you're not interested in it being a non-recipe video, hit stop here, go and watch something else, something a little bit more entertaining. So this wee video is a wee one I want to put together to give you an explanation as to why I've been absent for so long. I feel like I owe it to you slightly for all my subscribers that have been with me, just as a wee sorry I've not been here, this is what's been going on. So as you know, I'm a carer. Part of the purpose of me putting these videos up is largely to show other carers, particularly males like me, who were complete incompetents when it came to cooking and being in the kitchen, that you can learn these skills, you can do them, and you can pop out some very, very, very nice meals. But there has been a gap. So let's explain the gap. The main reason I want to, and I'll cut straight to the chase with this one, is I suffer from depression. And I can get into very, very, very black moods, and when I am in those, they can last a long time. I've never bothered seeing medical help for it. I just deal with it with me and the family, but I can be down, and when you're down, you don't want to do videos, you don't want to be cheery on a camera. And I've suffered a few bouts of these over the pandemic and during my gap. And amongst that, there's been other things going on as well. I was waiting on an operation, which eventually has been done, but I've been walking around with a wee open wound on me for a long time, which would have been taken care of, or hopefully been taken care of, just as lockdown 1.0 started. But with the pandemic, that was binned. It was pushed further and further and further back. So health-wise, I wasn't the greatest, but I was still functionable. But that's now been taken care of and everything's running fine. Another wee thing that happened as well, which sort of put the kibosh on producing some videos, is I dedicated a good few months of the kitchen to trying to help my son hone his skills. Whilst he was off university, he wanted to become a better cook, so rather than concentrating on videos, we concentrated on letting him get the run of the kitchen and let him build up his skills, and that meant that the channel was sort of put aside for that period. Now, I do have some footage which is filmed from many months ago, maybe as long as a year ago, which I'll be putting videos up. I've got them mostly edited, and they'll be getting uploaded, and I'll start releasing them maybe on a weekly basis. And I've got some fresh footage as well that I've filmed, which will also be going out. But this is just a wee quick explanation as to why there's been the gap. Normal service will resume. I should let you know, I'm still not in the greatest of moods mentally, but I'm trying to pick myself up. A lot of pressures going on. Obviously, as a carer, you've got those pressures and various different worries going on. But we'll get there, and this was just a wee quick thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and this is what has been happening. So hopefully that makes sense. Not looking for any sympathy or that down on the doobly-doo down on the boxes, just wanted a wee brief explanation as to why service hasn't been here. And that pretty much covers it. Obviously there's been the pandemic as well. Did I mention there was a pandemic? So that made getting things for the channel sometimes a little bit problematic, because we were under shielding orders, so we weren't actually out and about in the community to buy our own food. We actually had government food delivered to us for a small period, which meant there wasn't really much there for making videos as well at the very beginning. So lots of factors. Probably the main one, though, not probably, the main one was my mental state hasn't been the greatest at many points. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you did watch this bit, as I say, there was no pressure to watch this bit. If you did, thank you for watching. And let's get on with this. So we'll get another wee video up later on today. Should have the final edits done of that. And as I say, I'll try and get the other stuff released once a week. And I've got a few weeks worth. There was some stuff there. There's still other stuff there I don't have enough footage to make a video for, so I'll need to try and film other parts to go with that for the recipes that I had been planning. And take it from there. So, thanks then. Take care. All the best. And stay safe out there. You and your families. Bye bye.